I am here in the rain in a thunderstorm. It's lightning. I hope I don't get struck because that would suck. Well, I just made it to my campsite for tonight. They were calling for like 70-mile-per-hour winds and half-inch hail, but we didn't get nearly that. I'm excited about watching the new Obi-Wan Kenobi. I downloaded that before I left. I'm gonna make a fried egg sandwich. Not sure if you've ever had one of those, but staple of my childhood. And it's still lightning and thundering a little bit. I don't know if there's gonna be more coming or not, but we're gonna go ahead and get tucked away in the camper. I've got bleach in the freshwater tank, so I'm not gonna be able to use that tonight. So I did stop at the little general store and bought a couple things of water. Yeah, I'm not necessarily gonna have all the conveniences of my little glamping mobile, but I'm not complaining because got a roof over my head, bed, it's gonna be nice. And by the way, I forgot my video microphone for my camera, but I did just pick up this new little GoPro 10 and I bought the little case for it that has a microphone on it. So we're gonna try that one out tonight and see how that one works. So if it does sound a little bit differently, that is why.
Mess right now.
Wow, it's a mess. I am gonna clean up and get settled. You can hear the rain still. It's coming down a little bit, but no more storms. Check it out. I wore my Star Wars shirt here. Do we have any Beatles fans? Because you'll get the reference of the shirt. It's about 25 after 8. So I'll probably make dinner and then get settled in for movie time. I do like this Hero 10. It's pretty cool. Hopefully it sounds good. We'll find out. I got my Hero 7 outside in the rain, so it's getting wet. Hey, that's what they're built for, right? I got these RGB strip lights. I'm gonna try to install these and see if I like them. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe down that edge just to get any residue or anything off so that it'll stick better. It's a little dirty, not too bad. Wait till that dries. Has a little remote control. Does all kinds of colors. Ooh, look at that. Purple. Green. That's pretty sweet. I like it. Red to match everything else in the truck here. What do you think? You like him? I'm gonna set up the frame for my dining room table. I have 2 frames, like so. 2 support bars, and they all just go together with little pins. Larger pins. Slide them through, cotter pin, put them in. Hooks in there. Smaller ones that go in the bottom. Just makes it less wiggly. These tiny little baby cotter pins. And then you do the same for the other side. There we have it. Nice frame. Fits in between this piece of wood. It just sits on top. Makes a nice dining room table or a desk or a nightstand at night. It's about 9:15 and I'm getting a little bit hungry, so I brought my little tiny itty bitty baby skillet and I'm just going to go ahead and cook inside the truck since it was raining and by now all the bugs are out and those little vampire mosquitoes are just out there waiting for me to walk out there to suck my blood, so I'm gonna stay in the truck. All right, we're gonna get cooking here. Ooh, extreme close up. Some bread from home. I have some ketchup. And I'm gonna cook eggs for my sandwich, my fried egg sandwich. And I got some celery, put some peanut butter on that. Tiny little baby skillet. I think it'll stay. So I can't really use my water in my sink. I did bring this gallon jug of water here. Yeah. I need a little more iron in my system. for a good fried egg sandwich is have the yolk broken but not mixed in like scrambled egg. And I love black pepper nearly as much as I like peanut butter. Get this to flip all right with just the fork. This skillet's pretty new, so it's not seasoned very well, so it's trying to stick on me here. I can deal with that. Try not to spill it. Got my fried egg on there, the ketchup on. That's probably really annoying, huh? There's my fried egg sandwich. Brings back memories as a kid. I know it's not a really gourmet meal tonight, but got my peanut butter. Fried egg sandwich with celery and peanut butter. So my big complaint about the Hero 10, I just put a brand new battery in it and I bought the little separate display for it as well. Here, I do with my phone. Right behind me. There's the Hero 10 and I got this little display for it. Brand new battery, and the little display is down to 19% already. The Hero 10 is down to 23% already. I barely used it. GoPro, up your game, man. Dig in. Everything tastes better on cast iron, you know that? My watch is telling me to stand up. I'm not sure that's gonna happen right now. You guys like celery? It's actually going on 10 o'clock, so I'll probably crawl in bed and watch some Obi-Wan Kenobi. I heard good things about it. I actually like the Boba Fett series too. I know some people didn't, but that was pretty good. Maybe I'm just easily entertained. It's not a bad thing. Yep, belly's full. Alright, I think I'm gonna do the dishes, get everything cleaned up, and need to charge these batteries now. So I finished dinner and I was on the phone with my wife, and all of a sudden I heard all these coyotes outside howling. I tried hanging up real quick so that I could get an audio recording of them, but I wasn't quick enough. They stopped. I may have tried howling back at them to try to instigate them to howl more, but they were not having it. They did not believe that I was a coyote. Oh well. It's pretty cool though. Actually, it's pretty cool that I am inside the truck and not outside where those coyotes are, because I don't want to get eaten by coyotes. That would not be cool. Jury's still out on this Hero 10. It's pretty cool. I got the rig and stuff on it, and then I got the light, which you can see how bright it is. It's really bright, and it's just a little guy, real little guy, like really little guy. Oh wait, I don't want people thinking I'm in the Illuminati, because I'm not. I was just, yeah. All right. Well, it's starting to rain. I haven't heard any thunder or seen any lightning yet. The radar shows that something might be coming, but I mean, what good is a truck camping in a thunderstorm video without a thunderstorm? You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. A long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away. Oh yeah, I'm excited. Maybe a little bit of a Star Wars nerd. Not big. I couldn't win any trivia contests or anything like that, but I do like a good Star Wars movie. Well, it's been fun. I'm gonna have some popcorn, some carob chips, and watch a little Obi-Wan, and then I'll probably hit the hay, so have a good night.
How do you know the ways of the Force? My mentor taught me everything about the Force, even the nature of the dark side.
Good morning. I slept pretty well. Rain really just held off most of the night and didn't storm, which no surprise there, because meteorology seems to be the only career that you can take where you can be consistently wrong and still have a job. Oh well, had a good night's sleep though, except all those little vampire mosquitoes trying to get in, but my screen protected me through the night, held them off. Something to keep in mind if you do build a screen or anything for any of your windows in your truck cap campers. I suggest going with the very fine screen. They sell them where it really keeps the tiny little bugs out. Probably got to pack up my gear and head home. So thanks for joining me on this little impromptu camping trip. See you on the next adventure. Until next time, Godspeed.